Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin. $72,000. $72,000 for Bitcoin, hitting all-time highs all around the world, every single currency, which is beautiful. Congratulations, everyone who's with me during the whole 22 brutal bear market. I had so much hate during that bear market, even though people forgot that in 2021, I rode up with them from 30K to 69K and sold the day of the top on the 11th of November, 2021. But then during the bear market, still people were hating like crazy. But those who followed me, those who stayed around, you are reaping the rewards. Congratulations. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for learning from me and anyone that I've managed to get into Bitcoin over the time. Booyah! We're going to jump in the charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my targets. My target's still 88K for a massive resistance now and 115K. But again, remember 60K was my original target 5 or 6 months ago. When we hit 60K, I didn't sell because I saw the bullishness of what was happening with Bitcoin, with the ETFs, with the halving coming up. And I still see that now. I still see volumes rising. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Make sure you watch through to the end. I'm going to give you my Bitcoin targets, my Bitcoin trades. I'm going to show you my trades. I'm going to show you the trading community. I'm going to show you my 10K to $1 million account challenge. I'm going to show you my now $910,000 Bybit account, which went up from $150,000. I traded it up since mid last year, if you've been following my videos, to now 900,000. And I'm going to pick the winner. I think there's 2 competitions to give prizes for at the end. So make sure you watch through to the end. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. I had to open the charts here because it's now already reset the 24 hours. Pocket was up 40% yesterday. I was buying Pocket at 17. It went up to 30 cents and then came back down to like 15. A few people were Pocket's going down and now pumped 40% yesterday. Syscoin 25%. Guru Ventures, my venture capital company, invested into this. You have to do your own due diligence, etc. SMN 9%, IOTA 9%. Bitcoin 5%, 72,679, which is incredible. Ethereum above 4,000, everyone. Bitcoin 72,679, Ethereum above 4,000. Do you remember when we were buying Bitcoin at 15,500? When we were buying Ethereum at 700 just last year? Congratulations, all of you. It's incredible. Doge up 4%, IDEX 4%. Everything was pumping yesterday, which is amazing. Bitcoin hitting 72,330, hitting my resistance line. Who remembers that trend line that I drew from yesterday? You can see it hitting that resistance line perfectly, but it's just smashing against it, which is beautiful. Let's go into the longer term time frames. Let's look at the overall picture. Monthly volume predicts price. Look at the volume growing on Bitcoin. This is on derivatives exchange, and I'm going to also show you the volume growing on Bitcoin on the market cap. So this is Bitcoin market cap now $1.4 trillion, everyone. Bitcoin market cap now $1.42 trillion. Look at the move yesterday. Look at this incredible moves on Bitcoin. Look at this. And look at the volume spike yesterday on the market cap. On the last month, the amount of Bitcoin volume is sitting at now $24 billion. The month of February was 24 billion. The month of March so far, it's still 20 days left, is 65 billion. Volume predicts price, everyone. Volume predicts price. Never forget my saying, volume predicts price. Right now, the volume on Bitcoin rising. Let's look at the Bitcoin indicator. Crypto Guru Bot fired a blue buy at the bottom of the market, February 2023 at 20-something thousand. Now, blue buy still at 72,000, which is incredible. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell at the 48K and didn't fire a buy. That's why you need to use all the bots together, all the indicators together, and have to learn technical analysis in the crypto master course. You get all this. Volume still growing, stochastic heading up, squeeze mob going green still. We're coming up against this resistance line, but in my opinion, there's no Bitcoin. It just looks like it's just going to bust through. All these resistances were my heavy resistance. The next resistance is not till 88,000. When you zoom out, you can see the overall bigger trend line picture. You see? That was the 2 peaks of the 2021 bull market. 64K, 69K came down to 15K during the bear market. Now coming up, the target would be 88K based off the touches of those 2 trend lines. So that's my new target on Bitcoin. I still think we're in the 2nd to 3rd wave as well. If that was the 3rd to 4th corrective wave, then this will be the final 4th to 5th corrective wave. But it's just too small of a correction, in my opinion, to be the 3rd to 4th corrective wave. Volume is still increasing, which is beautiful. On the 4-hourly, stochastic going up, squeeze mob going up, volume going up. which is beautiful. But again, at this heavy resistance, but you can see it's kind of hitting it multiple times, getting rejected, but not getting pushed down, which is just showing supreme strength on Bitcoin. I would take a long from this major area of resistance that has now turned to support. I would take along from 71,800. Or you could put on, I would pull it back actually more to if it had a big nuke for some reason. There, 71,452, which is very close to where we are right now, to be honest. It can easily have a % correction. Let's move it down to here. And someone said in the Telegram, why do I keep increasing why do I make as the market goes up, I make my entries lower and lower. Why? Because when we went from 15K, if we nuke 10%, that's 1,500. So my entry could be at 13,500. If we were at 30K and it nuked 10%, then my entry could be at 27,000. Now we're at 72K. If it has a 10% nuke, which usually Bitcoin does in bull markets, 10, 20% as it goes up, less now with the ETF because the ETFs are not selling their shit coins and panic their long-term holders. So a 10% correction on 7,200, on 72,000 is 7,200. So that's why I can set my buy orders to be a little bit lower to try and catch those corrective moves if Bitcoin manages to pull a little bit of a correction. So it can even pull back like quite big on a 10% corrective move. The major area of support right now, I would say, would be this previous strong resistance that is now the previous all-time high, which is now turned into a massive support. Or even here, you could say, there's a lot of supports forming. It's crazy. I would take it here to be more safe. And target still 88K and 115K, my longer-term, bigger overall target. This trade would be 147 risk to reward, risking $300 to make $45,000 with no leverage per Bitcoin, 10x leverage 450,000, 100x leverage 4.5 million. Opening the trade at 69,978, stop loss 69,672, take profit 88K, 115K, 147 risk to reward ratio. That's the trade I would open on Bitcoin, 69978. But again, you have to always do your own due diligence, etc. That's my trades. I'm going to show you my trades and what I'm doing in the markets and how I trade, etc., etc. And I'm going to pick the winners at the end of the video, so make sure you watch through. Underneath the video, go down below. One is the exchanges I use. Bybit is the best. It gives you a $30,000 bonus. Make sure you go down and subscribe to this Bybit. Sign up with this Bybit account because tomorrow I'm going to make a competition. In the next video, I'm going to give $1,000 away. $1,000 away USDT to I'm going to pick a winner. I'm going to do the competition soon, so make sure 30,000 bonus on Bybit. Sign up with that link. 2, take the courses. All 3 of the courses, they're each $333. Make sure you take them. If you don't take them and you're trading, you're just gambling, everyone. And I know there's many traders. I know there's many YouTubers. I know there's many courses. They're all shit. I'm the best trader in the world, and I've been doing this for 4 years, every day making these daily videos. 4 years now, 22 years trading, and in my opinion, everyone is shit in the markets at trading, and you really need to take the courses, my courses, to understand my cumulative knowledge, 23 years of trading now. And again, if you think I'm trying to sell you some courses because I have no money or I'm trying to scam you, this is my Bybit trading account. It was 150,000 mid last year, now 911,763 US dollars, coming close to $1 million US dollars, everyone. I started this account mid last year with 150,000 and it was 8 Bitcoin. Now it's 12.6 Bitcoin and 911,000. My Bitcoin trade, the funding fee on Bitcoin 0.06. You can see my Bitcoin buys at the bottom over here. See those buys down there after the ETF sell-off back then. My Bitcoin trade now $220,000 in the profits. $220,000, 1,781% on my Bitcoin trade, which is beautiful. And 1,700 already realized. But what's crazy is I took $12,000 and I made $222,000, which is beautiful. In this account, I've got 911,968 USD or AUD, now 1.379 million. Remember last month when I showed you this, or 3 weeks ago when this account hit 1 million Australian, now up 379, and you can just see just amazing gains. And this I can spend directly, 912,000, I can spend this money directly from my card, my Bybit debit card. I can spend my money that I'm earning on my Bybit. So you can see here, in the last few months, I've already spent from this card 8,200 euro, and I gave away $7,000 from this account. I gave away in prizes. Where's the giveaway function? Events, giveaway. You can see here, I've already given away 7,000 USDT. So 7,000 I gave away, 8,300 I spent. So that's about $15,000, and I've still got 912,000 up from 150,000. What's crazy is, look at this. 7 days ago, my account 779. So in the last 7 days, I made $132,000 in the last week. In the last month, 565 to 912. So I made $380,000 in the last month, which is beautiful. In here, I've got Bitcoin, 2 Bitcoin, 144,000, up 5.7%. Doge, 128,000, up 8%. Who remembers my buys of Doge? Uniswap, 103,000, 3%. USDT 61K, MCRT 55,000, about even today. FXS 53,000, 2.9%. World 51,000, up 10%. Pocket 39,000, up 39% today, which is amazing. Congratulations, all of you. And again, go down below, sign up to everything underneath the video, and learn. Only use these links, and join us in the Telegram. It's free. There's 9,000 traders in there, and I only want you to join this Telegram after you've taken the courses, so you don't interrupt people with stupid questions. And not stupid questions, you can ask questions, but make sure you take the courses. Make sure guys, we're going to start making it a policy. Make sure you've taken the courses before you join the Telegram. Why? Because there's already 10,000 students in there that have taken the courses. And when someone new comes in and they're asking the same questions that have already been answered in the courses, it wastes everyone's time. So before you join that Telegram, take all the courses and then join the Telegram. It will answer most of your questions. And you can just see here, there's 104 of you online right now trading. People talking about STRK, about they're just sharing trades. Doge long. This is just this morning. It's sunrise here. It's still dark. It's still dark here, and you can just see everyone chatting and discussing. And this is just today. This is just this morning since sunrise, everyone. This is since this morning sunrise. It's not even sunrise yet, and this is this morning. And you can just see yesterday was like crazy celebration. Look at the chats. There was 100, 300, or 400. Look at the gains everyone's making. 2,200%. This was just yesterday. Look at the chats. $1,200, 322%, 44%, $452, 100. You can just see everyone's gains yesterday. It's like crazy. The community is just doing amazing. Congratulations to all of you. My OKX 10K to $1 million challenge. Who remembers when I opened this account in Egypt? 10K to $1 million challenge. Now at $41,000. I made 10K into $41,000, which is amazing. In this trade, I've got Bitcoin long open. I opened a Bitcoin long with $291, and it made $32,000. I used $291 to make $32,962. Do you guys hear that? I used $291 margin to make $32,951 on this account. And I'm holding this account just Bitcoin and WorldCoin. WorldCoin I bought 2K. It's now up. It's now worth 8K. And Bitcoin just 10K since I was in Egypt. So 3 months ago, it went from 10K to 41K, which is beautiful. Now I'm going to pick the winners over on Twitter. Make sure you go follow me, everyone, on Twitter, James Crypto Guru. I've got 84,800, but what's interesting, I had 85,500 yesterday. I'm still slightly shadow banned somehow. This was me in 2018. Bitcoin is like the invention of the gun. Even if for 100,000 years bone sword skills was coveted, when the gun was invented, that was it. Technology surpasses everything. This was one of the competitions, Crypto Chart Challenge. Can you spot the key insight on this chart based off what I've taught about crypto? One winner of 100 USD. Follow me, retweet this, comment 3 of your projects. I'll pick the winner in the next video. Are you guys ready? 12,000 people saw this tweet. 245 of you answered. I'm going to load them all now, and then I'm going to pick the winner of the correct answer. First, I'll load them all, then I'll tell you what the right answer. Thank you, everyone, for all your beautiful responses. Look how many people, 250 of you responded since yesterday when I made that post. I'm going to load them all. So I'm going to load them all first, and then I'm going to pick the winner. And make sure I'm going to give away $1,000 tomorrow on Bybit. I just want to give away to people and charities and stuff as much as possible. I love giving away presents and stuff. Yesterday, I helped a beautiful homeless an injured homeless lady as well. I'll show you that tweet. I just want to inspire you as much as I can to do the same things. Everyone, whatever you're seeing me do, I'm showing you to inspire you. I'm already rich. I've been rich for a very long time. I've been trading since I was 14 years old. This is all inspiration. My goal is abundance for all. When everyone is abundant, when everyone's needs are taken care of, when no one's struggling to survive, then the world can be peaceful. The world can be happy. People can be healthy. I don't think people should struggle to survive. My motto is abundance for all. So I've loaded all the people that answered. So the question was, what can you spot the key insight based on this chart, what I've taught you about crypto? This is Bitcoin market cap. What do you guys see there from this Bitcoin market cap? What is the main insight on this chart? The volume. Volume predicts price. You can see this massive green candle, the last green candle of volume. You can see the monthly volume on Bitcoin market cap is massively rising. So the key insight is volume predicts price and the volume is rising. And everyone, you know I've been saying this over and over again. Why do I keep saying this? Because I want to teach, I'm really pushing. How did I predict the 2021 November 11th top of the markets? Because the volume dropped when Bitcoin pumped. What I'm teaching you is we're looking for, I want all the gurus to be watching this. When the Bitcoin volume starts to drop off on the daily and the weekly, when Bitcoin's making new highs, but the daily and weekly volume is dropping off, that's when we get out. That's when I'm looking to get out of all the markets. That will be the sign of the top. So let's pick a winner, randomly scrolling. Everyone, thank you all. 250 of you commented. And the winner is massive volume coming in. Volume predicts price. His projects are Cubic, which we did. If you bought Cubic with me, each $5,000 that was put into Cubic in Santorini, remember when I was in Santorini, Greece, and I bought Cubic? I bought 36 billion Cubic for $5,000. It's now worth $450,000. Cubic Render MCRT. Dwayne, I don't know how. Congratulations. Congratulations, man. I hope you have fun with this 100 USDT. My team will contact you and send you that USDT. Only send public USDT address. BEP20 is the best with the lowest fees, everyone. BEP20 USDT. How do you send crypto? What's the best ways to send crypto? Bitcoin is like a store of value if you want to move large amounts of money because the fees are like $15, $20. USDT BEP20, BNB's chain, USDT BEP20 is the cheapest way to send send US dollars. That's what everyone that I see usually uses USDT BEP20. Okay, that was the winner of this $100. Congratulations, Dways. Hope I'm saying your name right. I'm going to follow you back. And now I'm going to pick the second winner of the next prize. What's Saylor going to do with the 800 million? I choose one winner of 100 USDT in my next video. Now 2 prizes. Follow me here and on YouTube. Retweet this. Hashtag your favorite crypto project. MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor posted, MicroStrategy completes $800 million offering of convertible notes. So he bought another 12,000 Bitcoin, everyone. He converted that 800 million into 12,000 Bitcoin. Michael Saylor, this company just bought MCRT. Very close. MSTR just bought $800 million on Bitcoin. He converted another 800 million into the best asset on earth, Bitcoin. Exactly, Grace. Saylor plans to keep accumulating more Bitcoin. You can just see everyone, Bitcoin. So there was around, how many people answered? 222 of you answered. So I'm going to load them all up. This tweet was also seen quite a lot of times, tens of thousands of times, which is beautiful. So I'm going to load all these tweets and I'm going to pick one winner. And everyone, make sure you subscribe to me here on YouTube and on Twitter and on Instagram to see my prizes. And make sure you only use the links all down below in this video. There's so many fake scammers of me. I will never private message you to send me money. I will never private message you to sign up to something. So be very careful. Only use the links under this video. So ready? Bitcoin was the answer. I'm going to choose one winner. Ready, set, go. Let it auto scroll. And the winner is Bitcoin. Let's go. Congratulations, Dorothea. He's buying Bitcoin. Michael Saylor just bought $800 million of Bitcoin. Congratulations, Dorothea. Congrats. You win 100 USDT, which is beautiful. And I want to show you some more tweets because yesterday was amazing. Bitcoin revenue from, this is the president of El Salvador. Crypto Rover got retweeted by the president of El Salvador because when he was buying Bitcoin, El Salvador has now made $83 million by converting their country to Bitcoin. And then Nayib Bukele, the president of El Salvador, says Bitcoin plus Bitcoin revenue from our passport program. If you move to El Salvador, you have to put in some Bitcoin, plus the revenue converting Bitcoin to USD for local businesses, plus Bitcoin for mining, plus Bitcoin revenue from government services. So amazing, amazing. He converted El Salvador's country into Bitcoin and it's paying off massively. And it's quite cool that Crypto Rover got retweeted by a president. This is Muxit, the CEO of MCRT. MCRT is a gateway currency to the MagicCraft ecosystem. Gems are the primary in-game currency, which all items in MagicCraft price system will be priced. So they're building a second kind of currency, balanced currency into the into that. But gems, MCRT is the crypto. Gems is the bouncing. And you can just see what I've been posting. And this was me in 2018 saying Bitcoin is the invention of the gun. Pocket was up 40%, Sys up 25%. People going crazy in my Telegram. My courses change lives. My courses are necessary to succeed in the crypto arena. And you can see just people's gains from yesterday. Look at the percentage. Make incredible profits with just my knowledge over the last decade. Thank you again, James. I'm now signing up to the crypto masterclass. Take it to a whole new level. Beautiful. Selling the top of Bitcoin. What I'm looking for is that volume. Wishing a blessed Ramadan to all Muslims, all religions. I wish you the very best, and I pray and hope that you have the best lives and the best families and the best fun and the best enjoyment, including everyone. Wishing all Muslims a blessed Ramadan. And wishing, what's sale going? That was the competition. Bitcoin just overtook silver, everyone. Bitcoin overtook silver as the 8th most valuable asset in the world. Gold at 18 trillion, Microsoft 3 trillion, Apple 2 trillion, Nvidia 2 trillion, Ethereum, Amazon, Alphabet 1.6 trillion, Bitcoin. What's funny is I also bought the bottom of Google at the bottom of the market. I bought Meta, which is also on this list at the bottom of the market. So we did amazing. My purpose is teaching people how to fish. You can see everyone's gains. Bitcoin up 90 billion yesterday. And you can just see my posts from the last 24 hours. And I said yesterday, 22 hours ago, Bitcoin bears about to get wrecked again. Must see charts. That played out perfectly. Bitcoin wrecked everyone that was bearish. Ethereum above 4,000. And this was the tweets for the last 24 hours. Bitcoin just pumping. Those competition giveaway, these beautiful flowers. This was yesterday. I was walking on the road in Bangkok before my next flight and saw a homeless lady sleeping on the street. She had bad infections on the back of her legs. Looks pretty bad. I went to the pharmacy, bought a medical supply bag of antibiotics, betadine, gauzes, and just left the bag with her. She was asleep, and milk and water and bandages. Why did I share this post? I shared this post. Hope it helps her. I'm only sharing this to inspire others to do the same for the people who need help. And I got many thank yous and many blessings, which is very beautiful. Thank you very much, everyone. And there's much more to show, but I don't have time. Otherwise, the video will be too long. Again, my account now hitting new all-time high, 908,000. It was 911, but 908,000 US dollars, which is beautiful. My Bitcoin trade, $218,000. And the funding fee, not so bad, 0.06, which is beautiful. Thank you for watching, everyone. Again, all the links are down below. And congratulations to all of you. Amazing. And why people have been asking me, why am I just saying congratulations all the time? Because we went from the bottom of the market. I sold the top in 2021, bought the bottom with all of you during that brutal bear market, which was brutal. It was really hard bear market. A lot of people gave up. We didn't, which is beautiful. And now we're reaping the rewards, and I really want to celebrate those rewards. And if you're asking what's my portfolio, this is all my portfolio. So what you see here is my portfolio. So WorldCoin, Intel, Google, Tesla, Pocket. This is everything I'm holding. MCRT, FXS, BNB, Ethereum, Bitcoin, all this is my portfolio. And again, you have to do your own due diligence, everyone. I have many companies, and I'm a VC. Guru Ventures is a big VC in this space, so I'm invested in a lot of things. So you have to do your own due diligence. You have to consult your brokers, consult your financial professionals. Thank you for watching, everyone. Congratulations to the winner. Congratulations to everyone who bought Bitcoin with me at 16K in last year. Whoever bought World, Pocket, 40%, everything we've done. I'm so proud of everyone, and my goal is to teach you all how to fish. I don't want you to look at me for just following me. I want you to learn from me how to do this yourself. Take the courses and make abundance for your family forever. Doesn't matter what job you are in, you need to learn how to manage your money, learn how to invest, learn what's happening in the markets, and you must learn technical analysis. Doesn't matter what any other stupid person ever tells you about technical analysis. They're wrong. It's a 100-year-old plus profession, and it made 150K in this account to now 907,000 US dollars because of technical analysis. It made this account from 10K to 41,000 because of technical analysis. And if you've been following my videos, you know this is nothing compared to what I've done over the last years. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day. Love you all. See you all again tomorrow.